Ladies and gentlemen, it is the PS5 with God of War included. Comes with the Cadillac of, I mean, this feels, wow. I mean, put it in your hand fully. I mean, it looks and feels like a Cadillac of controllers. What do we got here? What's this?
This is,
I mean, this is like the greatest thing. So somebody at the store said that the difference between the PS4 and the PS5 is literally, it's like an 89 Civic to like a McLaren.
I think it's a controller holder?
Nice.
I do not know.
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
Actually, looks pretty cool.
I mean, dude, this is insane. It comes with God of War Ragnarok. And then, ladies and gentlemen, the creme de la creme. There it is. The PS5. Whoa. Can we put it up here?
Yeah. Oh.
OMG. Put it over there. Next to here. I'll move this. Holy macadamia nut.
For real.
Wow. This is like, no joke, one of the most prized possessions of any gamer, of really any human being, but especially any. Look at that console. Look at the Sony.
You can also replace.
Whoa. I mean, it looks like a command center. It looks like something from Star Trek.
You can replace these white things for like pink or camo.
That's amazing.
Can you lay it flat?
Yeah, you can lay it flat too.
But
it have to be up.
No,
doesn't have to be up.
No, it does because
No. You can lay it this way. Lay it this way. Watch.
Then it would be like.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, I mean, well.
I mean, it can.
It's not possible.
Usually, you're supposed to do it like vertically, but
Like this.
wait till we show you what it looks like. Wow, PS5, baby. Wow, we decided to put it on its side. Look how incredible
Wait, what did we do?
that is. Now we're gonna set up the controller. So now you just have to set up the controller. Oh, this is gonna make anybody's dream come true. I don't care who you are.
English.
The ultimate gaming console. Holy macadamia.
Me too.
Look at how insane these graphics are. That is out of this world. This is God of War Ragnarok that it comes with. I mean, that is, look at the breadth. I've never ever seen graphics this good on any game console. Incredible.